So these are the cups that I made the stickers for, and I think it came out really cute. I did do like the one piece font first, and it just didn't match, I guess, with the actual Fruit Blocks font. So I decided to go with just the Roblox one. I think it worked out good. I just threw in the stickers I made into the goodie bag so the kids can use it later. But they love the stickers that I bought on Amazon, and they decorate their cups. These are the Mana color changing cups, the cold ones. It does come with a cover and a shop. I didn't want to pull it out. So to make the name stickers for the cups, I'm using a font called Roblox 2017. And you can find that free on the web from various sites. I like this one in particular because the O does that side tilt thing. So if you use lowercase o, it's regular. But if you do uppercase O, it's the tilted one. So that's kind of fun. Another good option that I found was a font called Universal Serif. I forgot where I downloaded it from, but I just searched it up, Universal Serif, and downloaded that. And that kind of looks similar-ish to the Blox fruit, but it wasn't exactly the same, so I went with the Roblox. So to make the cover for the goodie bags, I just went into Pages, and I'm using that font Universal Serif, and just type their names. And the actual fruit images, I just pulled from the web. So I just typed in Blox fruits and then images, and then saved the ones on my desktop that I wanted. And I just imported it to Pages and printed out whichever ones was their favorites. And then I'm going to print this out on cardstock. So I have my bag, and this is just a white craft paper bag that I buy in like sets of 100 because I do things like this and just customize it for all kinds of things. I have my printout and my paper cutter. So this is super easy to do, and I think it looks pretty good, or good enough for kids, you know. So I just measure it. It's like the bag itself on the front is about like 7 inches and like, I don't know, 15, 16. Right? So there's that. And then the top, I go to about maybe 10, little over 10. So little under 8, little under 10. So I'm just going to cut the paper. So this is 8.5. I'm going to cut off a little more than 1/4 of an inch on both sides. And on this side, I only need to cut the bottom. And then I'll just check to see if it fits perfectly. So yeah, it's good enough. I guess I could have made it a little bit higher. I can also glue it a little bit higher just to be even up here. And I'm going to use a glue stick. I like this glue stick. It's a permanent glue stick, so it really, you know, sticks on. Sometimes those school glue sticks don't really stay on well. Last time I used Elmer's glue, and it kind of didn't warp the page, but you could see like where it was wet. So yeah, glue stick is, I think, a better option. Okay, so I just let these dry, and then I just throw in everything that I'm gonna put in there. Super easy to do goodie bags. The piñata, I think, was a hit. I think they had fun, and I don't know, I had fun making it. That and the stick, which I do have videos on how to make because those were like kind of bigger projects. The goodie bags came out good, and if you have an outdoor party, these fly swatter things are so good. And I had 4 of them out on this table, and yeah, they work perfect. So if you have an outdoor party, definitely get that. What else? Oh, the Robux in the piñata were super fun too. So for the cake, I made square cupcakes because they're Blox fruits. And I bought this on Amazon. I just used a box cake mix, a white one, and I colored it with these food coloring dyes. And I really like this because it's a natural vegan food coloring, you know, nothing like red 40 and all that stuff. So I used the purple one to make the cake purple, and then I made my own white buttercream frosting. I also did a strawberry version with strawberry frosting, and I made my own, but you can totally buy the frosting pre-made if you want to save some time and some hassle. I also use a different tip though. I use like a straight tip to make it like that wave pattern. I'll insert a photo here. So that wraps up my crafts for my son's Blox Fruits party. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave me a comment if you guys make any of these.